Planning meals every week can be overwhelming. What should I eat? How do I stay on budget? This week, I let AI plan all my meals, from breakfast to dinner. Here's how it worked. I started with a prompt. Plan a 7-day meal plan under $75 with simple ingredients and no more than 30 minutes per meal. I used ChatGPT and Whisk AI for different perspectives. They generated meal schedules, shopping lists, and even recipe links. Next, I asked AI to create a grocery list optimized for cost and quantity. It grouped everything by category, which made shopping faster and cheaper. I also got portion suggestions to avoid food waste. Each day I followed the plan. Overnight oats, grilled chicken wraps, veggie stir-fry, and more. AI gave me step-by-step instructions with substitutions when I missed an ingredient. It even estimated prep time and calorie counts. The best part? No more decision fatigue. I saved time, avoided impulse spending, and actually enjoyed trying new recipes. My total grocery bill? $68. Downsides? A few meals were too repetitive. Some ingredient suggestions weren't available locally. And if you're not flexible, it can get frustrating when something doesn't go to plan. Overall, letting AI plan my meals helped me save money, reduce stress, and eat healthier. If you want to try it, start with a basic prompt and adjust from there. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI and real-life challenges.